What is the difference between robotics and mechatronics? At first glance, it might seem like robotics and mechatronics are the same thing. Both fields focus on designing smart machines, but the key is in the approach. Mechatronics is the field of study, and robotics is one of its most important applications. Mechatronics is an engineering discipline that integrates three main areas: mechanical engineering for the physical structure, electronic engineering for the circuits and sensors, and computer science for the programming that gives the system intelligence. The goal of mechatronics is to create products that combine these three parts to be more efficient. Think of a modern printer, a digital camera with autofocus, or an ABS braking system in a car. All are products of mechatronics. Robotics, on the other hand, is a more specific field. Its sole purpose is the design, construction, operation, and application of robots. A robot is a programmable machine capable of performing a series of actions autonomously. Robots, of course, use the principles of mechatronics, but their purpose is singular: to create a physical agent that interacts with the world to perform tasks. The difference can be summarized like this: mechatronics is the broad, fundamental discipline that creates smart components, while robotics is the specialized application that takes those components to build a particular type of system, the robot. Think of it this way: every robotics engineer must have solid knowledge in mechatronics, but a mechatronics engineer does not necessarily work with robots. They could be designing systems for the automotive industry, for smart appliances, or for medical devices. In contrast, the focus of a roboticist is, by definition, the robot.